Meaning of field event.
Field event.
Field event.
Field event.
Field event. A field event in athletics is a type of sports competition that involves events performed on a field or similar area. It usually refers to events like the long jump, high jump, triple jump, pole vault, shot put, discus throw, and javelin throw. In these types of events, athletes showcase their strength, speed, agility, and coordination skills. The goal is to achieve the greatest distance, height, or accuracy in throwing or jumping. Field events require specialized training and techniques for optimal performance. These events add excitement and diversity to athletic competitions and allow athletes to showcase their unique talents.